All right, let's do a little surface exercise. A classic way to do that is to work with a cattail. So this is the main stem of our cattail, and what we're going to think about is the surface of the water rippling out from the cattail. And those are just a bunch of foreshortened circles. Notice that they tip back, right? So they're closer together here than they are out to the sides. And this is one of the ways we kind of described the surface. I'm going to add a couple more lines for some leaves. And then this is my cattail here. And then maybe fold some of these leaves over. All right, maybe even do a third one in there. Put a little shading in there to help it set off from the other ones. And then if we're thinking about that top left lighting, then probably have a bit of a shadow coming off this direction, kind of, for the main stem. And then we could do a little off to the sides to help represent the other directions that the leaves are going and so on. But that idea of picking up some concentric circles, some foreshortened ripples, is a great way to start thinking about the surface.